Hi, I'm Matt Van Ryn. Welcome back for today's business tip. Today we're going to talk about the trademark registration process. Trademarks are really important. They protect the brand name of your business. They protect your website. They protect people from copying your name for their own business or your slogan for their own business. Now, if you choose to file for a trademark, what's involved in the process? First, you need to meet with an attorney, and the attorney needs to review what kind of business you have. And you might do business in more than one category. It might be that you have an online business that is a brick and mortar combination. You might have a store that sells goods of a particular type. Let's say you sell sporting goods and you also sell them online. Well, there's a number of different trademark categories that exist. All business and services, all goods and services are divided into 45 categories by the government. And we have to decide between the business owner and the attorney which categories you do business in. And then we want to protect your business from competitors in each of those categories. The next step is we create a description of your goods and services, and we compare that to the descriptions of businesses operating in the same industry as you. Then we search to see if anyone else has a name that is confusingly similar to yours that might prevent your business from being able to be registered. Once we do all those things, and if you have a logo, we create a graphic of the logo. We submit all those things to the United States Patent and Trademark Office. It usually takes about 4 or 5 months, and then eventually an attorney in Washington, D.C. gets assigned to take a look at our application to see what business categories you do business in. They might suggest some different ones that you might not have thought about, and they might take issue with some of the descriptions of your goods and services. So typically, about 4 or 5 months after you've submitted your initial application, you'll receive a letter from the Trademark Office. It's called an office action, and it will be a number of comments on your application. And you have 6 months to answer those comments successfully, and then your mark can be published for opposition. The next step is when your application has been approved, the Trademark Office puts out a notice to everyone who might be affected by the registration of your trademark that they have 30 days if they want to object to your business being given this name or slogan as its own. If they feel that they have a confusingly similar name and that you're perhaps copying or trading on their fame and reputation in the business community, you may have to stand up and fight for your mark. This process can take a little time, but at the end of it, it's worth it. Because unlike a copyright or unlike a patent, a trademark lasts as long as your business. It can last forever. So trademarks are very valuable, especially when you're selling your business, because that's your business reputation. That's how the community knows you. That's the websites and the phone numbers that people use to reach you. They're all protected by trademarks. So don't overlook protecting your trademark when you protect your business. Thanks very much. That's today's business tip. I'm Matt Van Ryn.